Y'all see those curls? Like, you see the curls just up in there, just circulating. Your girl is glowing. Yes, curly Sue. Who told you to do the do?
Down with it, are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it. On top of that table, say yeah. Down with it, are you down?
Hey Royals, it's your girl Queen Naturale back with another video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below and you will officially become a Royal. Now, to all my loyal Royals that are back, I hope all is good, like it should, good, would. You get started. Yes, I am. So, as you can see by the title, today I'll be showing you how I achieve space buns with natural hair. So, if you're interested in seeing how I get this look right here, keep watching and we'll get straight to the video. Action! So, the first thing that I'm going to do is just part my hair down the middle. Oh, you also can do like a design if you want, like you can do like zigzags, like any other designs that you want, like for your part. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to do a straight part down the middle, just so that it's very beginner friendly. Okay. Boy, I'm gonna be Karen. That thing be looking like a snake. Move like a snake. Hey, hey. Move. I hate that. Like, I hate that song. Maybe I shouldn't say that on YouTube, but I really don't care for that song. But hey, sis, get your coins. Now that I have my part, I'm just gonna tie this side up. So that way I can just work on this side. So next I'm gonna take my water bottle, which has conditioner and water in it, and just damp this side of my hair just so I can detangle it. I'm just gonna take small pieces and then detangle from there. Alright. Wow, my hair is so cute. So now that this side is detangled, I'm just gonna take some Eco Styler gel and put some at the part and basically at all the edges, since we're about to put it up. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and start brushing it upward into the direction that I want my bun to be. And I'm just gonna put this aside for a little moment and do the same thing to the other side. Being weighed down. As you see, it keeps falling, so we might have to put a lot more bobby pins there. Do my space buns and I do my edges. Sometimes I'll get creative, sometimes I won't. It just really just depends on how I feel that day. So yeah, whenever I pull out my edges and I've already slicked my hair back, I just kind of rub it across and then they just come out. basically it. I just finished doing my edges, as you can see. So after this, I would usually wrap my hair up, wrap my edges up, just to make sure everything is laying down okay. But since I've already did my makeup and stuff, and for the sake of the video, I'm not going to wrap it up right now, but you get the gist of it. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Very quick, easy, and beginner friendly. And this is the final product. Well, if you made it this far, congrats. I hope all is good, like it should. Good. You wrap it up. Yes, I am. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Remember to be you, stay beautiful, and I will see you next week. Cut.
Down with it. Are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it.